Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, as you all can see that we were doing exercise 5A and I have finished the exercise. But yes, I have got query for question number 10. Determine, it was this question number 10. I am explaining that query to the student once again. 2 by 3 of 15 pens. 2 by 3 of 15 pens. These types of questions are there from class 3 only. So 2 by 3 of 15 of means multiplication. So 2 by 3 multiplied by 15. Now 15 is in divide with 3 क्योंकि 15 का कोई डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है. That means 1 will be the denominator of 15. So 15 is in divide with 3. सो नाउ यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई इट. अब 3 के टेबल में 15 कब आता है? 3 वन ज़ा 3 फाइव ज़ा. नाउ 2 फाइव ज़ा 10. सो 10 पेन्स इज द आंसर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 2 by 3 of 27. दैट मीन्स 2/3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 27. नाउ 3 के टेबल में 27 कब आता है? 3 वन ज़ा 3 nines are. Now 2 nines are 18 balls is the answer, right? Now in question number 11 it is 3/4. So I am taking some examples of question number 11 also to explain you. So question number 11 is determine 3 by 4 of 16 cups. So 3 by 4 of 16 cups means 3 by 4 multiplied by 16. Now 16 is not having any denominator, so 1 will be considered as the denominator. आप 1 नहीं भी लिखेंगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 16 is in divide with 4. 4 के टेबल में 16 कब आता है? 4 वन ज़ा 4 फोर ज़ा. Now 3 4 ज़ा 12. 12 cups is the answer. Now coming to the next option, that is second option. 3 by 4 of 28 rackets. 3 by 4 of 28 is equals to 3 by 4 multiplied by 28. Now 28 4 के टेबल में कब आता है? 4 वन ज़ा 4 सेवन ज़ा. So 3 7 ज़ा 21. So 21 rackets is the answer. So this was all about question number 10 and question number 11. So I hope that student must have understood now. Now today I am going to continue the next exercise that is based on proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, and let's begin without wasting time. In the previous video itself I have explained you about proper fraction. What are proper fraction? If you remember the definition, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is known as a proper fraction. And one important fact about proper fraction which I have told you is each proper fraction is less than 1. Each proper fraction is less than 1 and each improper fraction is more than 1. And what are improper fractions? If you know the definition, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Improper fractions are the fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So I hope you must have understood about improper fractions also. I have already explained about these things. So I was just giving you a overview, a quick recap of this before starting the exercise 5B. So now let's begin the exercise 5B. Now you know what are proper fraction, what are improper fraction, and we all know that what is mixed fraction, how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So exercise 5B, question number 1. You have to do this question in your maths classwork copy. Which of the following are proper fractions? Now what was proper fractions? A fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. Now one by one I will be writing all the fractions, so you have to tell me whether it is a proper fraction or not. You may pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. So 1/2. The numerator is less than the denominator. That means it is a proper fraction. 3/5. The numerator is less than the denominator. It's a proper fraction. Now next, 10/7. The numerator is greater than the denominator. It's not a proper fraction. It is an improper fraction. 7/4. The numerator is greater than the denominator. Again it's an improper fraction. Numerator denominator से बड़ा है. Now 2. जब कोई भी ऐसे फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ है उसके नीचे कोई डिनोमिनेटर नहीं दिया, so by default we are going to consider 1 as the denominator. So 2/1, that means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Again it is an improper fraction. Coming to 15/8. So 15/8, again the numerator is greater than the denominator. It is also an improper fraction. Now 16/16. Which type of fraction is this? This is my question to all of you. If you know the answer, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Yes, as I told you, in improper fraction the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. या तो बड़ा होगा डिनोमिनेटर से या तो डिनोमिनेटर के बराबर होगा. So that is why this fraction is also an improper fraction. But we were searching about the proper fractions. तो ये 16/16 is an improper fraction. Now coming to the next option, that is 10/11. 10/11 the numerator is smaller than the denominator. That's why 10/11 is a proper fraction. Now coming to the last option, 23/10. Tell me whether it is a proper or improper fraction. 23/10 is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So I hope you must have understood question number 1, how I have selected the fractions, and you all know what are proper fractions, what are improper fractions, right? Now let's begin the next question, that is question number 2. So question number 2 is, which of the following are improper fractions? Now what are improper fractions? Please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section that what are improper fractions. Improper fractions are the fractions wherein the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. जहाँ numerator बड़ा होगा fraction improper होगा. So first fraction numerator greater, improper fraction. Coming to the next one, 5/6, numerator is not greater, proper fraction. 9/4, numerator is greater, improper fraction. 8/8, numerator is equal to the denominator, improper fraction. या तो बड़ा हो या तो इक्वल हो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर के. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन 3. तो 3/1, इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now 27/16, obviously it is also an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now 23/31, this is not an improper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. This is a proper fraction. Okay. Now 19/18, this is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. 10/13, this is a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. 26/26, the numerator is equal to the denominator. That is an improper fraction. So now I hope you must have understood very well about proper fractions and improper fractions. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 3. So question number 3 is, write 6 improper fractions with denominator 5. हमें क्या करना है, 6 fractions लिखने हैं improper fraction with denominator 5. Now in improper fraction the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. तो denominator हर केस में हमें क्या रखना है, 5 रखना है. तो numerator हमेशा denominator से बड़ा होगा, यू हैव टू राइट 6 फ्रैक्शंस, या तो बड़ा कर दीजिए या तो इक्वल कर दीजिए, राइट। तो एक तो आप इक्वल वाला भी लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज द न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू इट्स डिनोमिनेटर। सो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल कैन बी 5 से बड़े जो भी नंबर होंगे वो आप ले सकते हैं, राइट, बिकॉज द न्यूमरेटर शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन द डिनोमिनेटर। ओके, 5/5, 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5 and 10/5. Okay, in every case the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now write 6 improper fractions with numerator 13. मैंने आपको न्यूमरेटर 13 यानी कि न्यूमरेटर 13 आपका जब होगा तो न्यूमरेटर 13 मीन्स इट शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन द डिनोमिनेटर। तो जब आप 13 न्यूमरेटर लिखेंगे, राइट, 6 फ्रैक्शंस विद न्यूमरेटर 6 इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, तो न्यूमरेटर 13 होना चाहिए। वी हैव टू टेक 6 फ्रैक्शंस, राइट, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 1 can be 13/13 because the numerator or the denominator are equal. Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator in improper fractions. Now the next improper fraction can be, numerator बड़ा है तो 13 से छोटे सभी नंबर्स आप लिख सकते हैं, 13/12, 13/11, 13/10, 13/9, 13/8. So there can be so many, और भी हो सकते हैं, like 13/7, 13/6, 13/5. So it's totally up to you. You have to write 6. Only 6 improper fractions you have to write. Now question number 3 is also done. Question number 4 is also done. Coming to the next question, that is question number 5. So let's begin. Question number 5 is convert each of the following into an improper fraction. आपको improper fraction में change करना है. I'm not going to solve all the options. Some of the options will be homework, some of the options will be classwork. तो आपको mixed fractions दिए हैं, आपको इसको improper fraction में change करना है. I'm solving the last 4 options. So fifth option is, this is fifth question, right? So option number 5 is 10 whole रहेगा आपका 9/14. So you all know how to convert the how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So you have to multiply these two, 14 multiplied by 10 and plus add the numerator to it. So 14 tens are 140, so 149/14 is the answer. Now the next one is sixth one. So it is 12 whole 7/15. So now again 15 will be multiplied with 12 and 7 will be added to it. So 15 multiplied by 12 is 15 multiplied by 12. I think the answer is 1 5s are 5, right, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 180. When we multiply 12 with 15, we get what? 180. Now 180 plus 7 is 187/15. Now coming to the next option, that is 7th option. So the 7th option is 8 whole 8/13, right? 8 whole 8/13. Now you tell me what will be the answer of this option. If you know the answer, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. So students, 13 8s are 104 and 104 plus 8 is 112. So the answer will be 112/13. Now coming to the last option, 8th option. The 8th option is 51/2/3. 51/2/3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. That is 153. 153 plus 2, 155/3. So I hope you must have understood all the 4 options. Now first 4 options, option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, option number 4 is your homework. You have to do those 4 options in the classwork copy. Okay, students? So I hope you must have understood, and I have taken the query from the comment section also. So that's all for today. Now, if you have any problem, any query, you can comment down in the comment section so that I can explain you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.